Hi, hello everyone, good morning. In this lecture, I would like to discuss two types of strategies of algorithm, and these two strategies are divide and conquer strategy as well as greedy strategy. Basically, what do you mean by divide and conquer strategy? In this type of algorithm, we have given a problem, and while finding solution for this problem, we first divide the entire problem into two sub problems. Again, these two sub problems are further divided into again further two sub problems, and so on. Finally, we calculate sub solutions and we merge all those sub solutions until we get final solution. That is, this technique can be divided into the following three parts: divide, conquer, and combine. As I already have discussed, in divide, this involves dividing the problem into some sub problem. Conquer means sub problem by calling recursively until sub problem solved, and combine means the sub problem solved so that we will get find problem solution. Once again I repeat, in divide and conquer strategy we have given a problem, and while finding solution by using a divide and conquer strategy, we divide the entire problem into two sub problems. Further, these two sub problems are divided into again two sub problems. In this way, we find out sub problems, then we try to solve those sub problems to get sub solutions, and finally we merge all those sub solutions in order to get the final solution. The following are some standard algorithms that follow divide and conquer strategy: binary search algorithm, quicksort algorithm, merge sort algorithm. So I will discuss those algorithms in next upcoming lectures. You have to just remember the name of the algorithms that can be solved by using divide and conquer: binary search algorithm, quicksort algorithm, and merge sort algorithm. So this is in all those problems, in both, that is in binary search problem, in quicksort problem, in merge sort problem, we are following above applied strategy. We are following above applied strategy, that is, we are dividing the problem into sub problem, sub problem, sub problem. We are getting sub solution, and finally we merge all those sub solutions in order to get final solution. Next strategy is greedy strategy. Basically, greedy algorithm is designed to achieve optimum solution for a given problem. In greedy algorithm approach, decisions are made from the given solution domain. As being greedy, the closest solution which seems to provide an optimal solution is chosen. That is, while solving algorithm with greedy method, we try to find out optimal solutions for a given problem. We can have multiple solutions, but out of them, here we finally select the solution which is optimal solution. And mostly networking algorithms make use of this greedy approach. Here is a list of few of them: traveling salesman problem, Prim's algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra's algorithm, graph map covering algorithm, graph vertex covering algorithm, knapsack problem. These are the problems which are to be solved by using greedy algorithm. In all those algorithms for a given problem, we have multiple solutions, but we try to find out optimal solution. So this is all about greedy algorithm. In this way, in this lecture, I have discussed divide and how problem is solved using divide and conquer strategy, as well as how problem is solved by using greedy strategy. But we have not seen example of but here we have not seen examples, like example of traveling salesman, example of Prim's, example of Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra's algorithm. We are having all those concepts in upcoming lectures. Thank you.